In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a semi-log graph in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To start, open Google Sheets. Once your data is ready, highlight the full range by selecting all the cells you want to include in your graph. Then go to the top menu, click Insert, and choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart based on your selection and place it in your sheet. On the right side, the chart editor will open. Change the chart type to a line chart so your data appears as a smooth trend. Next, go to the Customise tab in the chart editor and find the axis settings. Select either the horizontal or vertical axis depending on your needs, and turn on log scale. You can also enable it on both axes if your data requires it. If something looks off or parts of the graph disappear, check your data for zeros or negative values since log scales won't display them. After that, you can adjust colors, labels, and titles from the same Customize panel. Once everything looks correct, your semi-log graph is ready in Google Sheets.